There's a really quick way to do this question, and I'm going to talk you through it because it is the best method. A positive whole number less than 100 has remainder 2 when divided by 3. That means the number's 2 more than a multiple of 3, which is the same as saying it's 1 less than a multiple of 3. And then remainder 3 when divided by 4, 3 more than a multiple of 4, that's equivalent to 1 less than a multiple of 4. And then the same goes with 5. If it's 4 more than a multiple of 5, as indicated here, it's going to be 1 less than a multiple of 5. And we can combine these now. For a number to be 1 less than a multiple of 3 and 1 less than a multiple of 4, it's going to have to be 1 less than a multiple of 12. And then for it to also be 1 less than a multiple of 5, we can times 12 by 5. It's got to be 1 less than a multiple of 60. And there's only one number less than 100 that satisfies that, and it's 59. So this is going to be the number, in fact, and therefore we just need the remainder of this when we divide 3 by 7. 7 times 8 is 56, leaving a remainder of 3. Brilliant. A much longer way to do this question. It's going to work for our purpose in this competition, and if you don't see it, then this is probably the way to go. Is to kind of consider all the numbers from 1 to 100. There's only 100 of them, and then we're just going to kind of carefully work through and rule out the ones that can't be. So first up, I'm going to consider numbers that are 4 more than a multiple of 5. So like 4, 9, 14, and so on. Except I can speed this up because I know there's a remainder of 3 when divided by 4, which means it must be an odd number. So I can ignore these ones and only now just go up in tens every time. So write down all the numbers from 1 to 100 that end in a 9. That is going to satisfy that condition there. Okay, let's rule some more out. So remainder 3 when divided by 4. This would be a remainder of 1. This would be a remainder of 3. This would be, we get 28, remainder of 1. This would be a remainder of 3. So actually it's every other one, I think. Yeah, this would be a remainder of 3, remainder of 3. And then here, 96, remainder of 3. Okay, so we've got it down to those. So that satisfies remainder 4 when divided by 5 and remainder 3 divided by 4. But we need a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. So 2 more than a multiple of 3. That's not going to work because that's 1 more. 39 is actually a multiple of 3, so I can rule that out. And 79, sorry, 99. 79 is, well, 78 is a multiple of 3, so this is only 1 more. So that takes us to 59. And 57 is a multiple of 3, so this checks out. So look, it's nowhere near as good, but you can still get the answer using this longer approach.